Here we go, Vin, especially for you. We're doing Harley Davidson. Absolutely stunning. Check this out. Look at the wheels. And they're a work of art. Really low profile tires. It's a 117 Harley. Look at that filter. Absolutely beautiful. Harley Davidson Paris. Obviously, the choice of professionals are bell helmets. So look at this lovely shot. You have an electric glide, a 121. I mean, absolute classic. The off-road 1250. A new addition. But another first actually for Harley Davidson making an off-road bike. This one. Yeah. It's a Fat Boy 114. And the Sport Glide. And then you got next to him the Street Bob. Look at the length. That is such a long bike. It's a Fat Boy. Really, really nice bikes. Remember, this is Harley Davidson. And if you get bored and you behave yourself, you can have a game of darts with Harley Davidson. That's what I love about Harley shops. You've got all these little extras. Incredible. Harley Étoile. It's a big bike. Oops. Heavy. Beautiful. Wow. And you have 3 shops.
Yes, 3 shops.
Amazing.
C'est bien Vika qui fait.
And a live wire.
Comment dire?
Live wire. Is that electric?
Yes, the new one.
Incredible. It's very heavy, that bike. Oh. Look how pretty these are. I can't even film. I'm getting a bit excited. Look at this beauty in red, a fully kitted out electric light. Vin, you'd love it here. Look at the width. It's a work of art. Fabulous. Then you'll love it. That's a good one. Looks like the wheels are the wrong way around. Right next to a Peugeot. But anyway. And they're putting all the bikes away. No way. Silent like a scooter. Amazing. How fast is it? Wow.
To film a British person. Very good.
Very rare.
Doesn't happen every day.
No. I try to speak Spanish with everybody here, it's easier. Anyway, I shouldn't be talking because I'm filming. But anyway, it's all good fun.
Yeah.
I'll put some music on it. I'll pass our voices out. Look at that, you can have all these t-shirts. Even your child can get dressed up as a Harley.
You get a Harley baby.
A Harley baby.
Everybody should make one, don't you think?
I tend to agree with you. My neighbor has a Harley.
Yeah. Right.
Oh, it's lovely.
Okay.
And they're very special. You can also take up Harley Davidson poker. Go to Las Vegas. Look at that. Fabulous items.
And then you've got all the jewellery here. This is all the jewellery.
What's your name?
Michelle.
Michelle.
Yeah.
Excellent. Lovely Michelle. Oh my gosh, I've just shown myself in the mirror. That's not very good.
Oh dear.
I'm trying to avoid that.
Right.
Look at that,
there
you got the jewellery.
There's the jewellery, all the Harley. And then you've
Which you can order online.
you've got the window here as well.
Wow, look at this.
Here you can actually pay dominoes, Harley dominoes.
They think of everything.
And
Harley skiing goggles.
you've got a passport holder. You've got
Where's the passport holder?
The passport holder down there actually.
Wow.
We've got everything. Wallets, watches, Harley watches, Harley sunglasses.
Incredible. And cases.
And everything connected with bikes, yeah. And you've got watches, clocks, lighters.
Classic.
Yeah.